Hello everyone, my name is Sudraksh and today I'm explaining what is storage class in Kubernetes. A storage class in Kubernetes, according to me, it makes easier to manage storage in Kubernetes cluster. But according to Google, a storage class is the Kubernetes resources that allows to administrator to define different classes of storage to dynamically provision persistent volumes. It's abstract the details how storage is provided. Examples: cloud providers, local storage, and NFC. In clouds, AWS Elastic Block stores the persistent volume and makes it easier to manage storage resources in Kubernetes cluster. Okay, but what is persistent volumes? According to me, persistent volume is a persistent storage that when a port's deleted or whatever disasters comes, but persistent storage, it's a backup. It's not been deleted in the local storage or AWS EBS elastic block storage. But according to Google's, persistent storage is a storage that survives beyond the lifetime of individual ports. When a port's deleted, restarted, or moved to a different node, the data in empirical storage is lost, but persistent storage ensures that data remains intact. This is essential for applications that needs to retain stateful information. Key benefits of persistent storage for data recovery, data retention: the data remains safe and intact, even if the port is crashed, is deleted, or the node running port fails. Resilience to node failures, backup, and restores scalability and flexibility. And now all things are done, but I am at that place to explaining the architecture of the storage class in Kubernetes according to a layman way. According to this architecture, I am created firstly a storage class, secondly a persistent volumes claims, and pod of MySQL database. Storage class, you know very well that it's managed the persistent volumes. Persistent volumes is a physical storage, or when you use AWS EBS, that like elastic block store, and persistent volumes claims. What is persistent volumes claims? Persistent volumes claims which claiming the storage of persistent volumes. Like according to Google's, a persistent volumes claims in Kubernetes is an object that requests storage PVCs are used when a port requires persistent storage. The storage comes from persistent volumes, which represent the actual storage such as cloud storage and NFS network file systems or any form of physical storage. Like I am giving an example of relation between PVC and PV, and you know very well PVC, what is persistent volumes claims, how PVCs work. PVCs request when a ports need storage, it requires it via PVC. The PVC defines the storage size and access mode. But like PVC is the backbone which define what type of storage we need and what the demand of the storage. Okay. Then we created a pod of MySQL database and we put the commands to the pod. The persistent volumes claims give the storage of persistent volumes when we stored the MySQL commands like that. Now let me explain from the layman project.